The latest issue of Make Magazine is hitting subscribers' mailboxes now. I'm super excited. Mine just came in. This is the first time I get to see the whole thing in the flesh and see how it all came together. Let me show you some pieces I'm excited about, but if you haven't gotten it yet, you can go to make.co and sign up for a digital subscription or the full subscription, or you could go to Barnes & Noble and find a copy yourself. Let's dig into it. I want to show you some stuff. This is our cosplay issue this year. It's got some awesome stuff in it. First off, on this cover is Jen Schachter and this incredible wig she made. That thing is insane. It's hard to even convey it in a photo how big and crazy that thing is. You'll also find a section not only on cosplay, but we also have a special space section in this one as well. Now let me just browse through a couple things real quick that I thought were super awesome. We did a feature on the Pancake Bot, which if you've been to Maker Faire, you're probably familiar with the Pancake Bot. It's a robot that makes pancakes, like a 3D printer for pancakes. It's pretty awesome. Here we have Sophie Wong explaining how to design your own character. And you see this is also next to a spread from Sean Thorson's amazing work. Now if we get into a little bit more of the nitty-gritty here, you can see Sophie really breaks down the steps for the construction of this, as well as some philosophy. We have tons of tutorials in here. This is faux leather made out of foam. Really, really great work. This one in particular I worked on, and I think it's so impressive. It's this mask made by Willow Creative that when she moves her jaw, the whole mask moves, but it's not using any motors. It's just using really creative connections. We have a dress that lights up in a cathedral style, just beautiful stuff. Now let's skip back to this space stuff back here. Here we have an article from Aaron Winnick talking about these new spacesuits that are combining new technologies like 3D printing into what's going to be going into space. Not just cosplay, but actual stuff. Here's an easy way to view the eclipse coming up. And there was a special one in here I'd love to find for you real quick. Here it is, the Pepper's Ghost holograms of Joshua Ellingson. We've seen Pepper's Ghost many times in the past. It's just an easy little hologram setup. But Joshua is doing really cool stuff like putting it in oddly shaped containers. And in this issue, he shares how he does it so you can learn how to do it as well. So many cool projects this issue. 3D printing tips and tricks, reviews, the latest issue of Make. Thanks for watching. There's so much more in there I could have shown you, but I don't want to make this video too long. Just go to make.co and subscribe.